What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting a mid muffler delete on my 2023 Dodge Charger RT. I've had the car for about a little over 2 months. Exhaust is stock, everything's pretty much stock. So yeah, today finally going to be chopping off the mid mufflers, wake the exhaust up a little bit. Yeah, just overall make the car sound more aggressive, louder. So let's get into it. I'll show you guys some before clips. I'll give you guys a nice warm start. Car sounds good stock. I will admit that. Looks good. Looks good. Let's head on over to the exhaust shop. Got a little bit of a drive, so yeah, stay tuned. Can't wait to hear how this is gonna sound. Now, I was gonna go yesterday to get the exhaust done, but the one exhaust shop I initially was going to, the main mechanic who does like all the welding and stuff, he was stuck in the city. He was about 2 hours away, so I wasn't trying to wait for all that, and he didn't give me the price I was looking for. He quoted me about $300, $350, and I wasn't trying to wait 2 hours for that kind of price. So for the rest of the day, I was pretty much just looking around for other shops. Called a couple that are like close to my house. None of them really did like actual exhaust work and like welding and stuff. I found this one actual muffler shop. I shot them a text and they said they do 200, basically 100 per muffler, so 200 for my car. I also asked a couple shops. They said they would do it, but they didn't have like the straight pipes to put in the muffler's place, so that was another issue. But I asked this shop, they said they had the straight pipes to put in the muffler's place. They gave me a good price, so yeah, I've been waiting to do this. Like I said, had the car for about 2 months, so yeah, the weather's getting a little warmer. It is supposed to get colder next week, so we'll still have some good cold starts with the mid muffler delete. But yeah, today's finally the day. So yeah, let's catch you guys at the shop. Yeah, let's get into it. Had to stop and get gas real quick. Has 62 miles in the tank. Alright, so we just got to the shop. Says it's gonna be about 20-minute wait, so just gonna chill right here. But yeah, I'm ready to get these mufflers off, wake this exhaust up. True 5.7 Hemi, true exhaust sound. So let it breathe. It's gonna sound great. Can't wait. Got a little Challenger over there. I don't know what that is. Might be a V6. Oh, you scat. It's clean. Look good. Got the Hemi. Yeah, she's on the lift. I had to drive it up myself. I didn't think so. Thought they were gonna do it. It's all good though.
Yeah, I have the muffler, but I can tell by my
That's crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god. The videos do not do it justice, I promise you that. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got an EV in front of us. I would say the mid-muffler delete is 100% worth it. If you have a Dodge Charger or any V8, honestly, I would highly recommend getting your mufflers chopped off. It really just gives your car that true V8 sound. Just lets the engine really reach its potential with the sound. The cabin noise honestly isn't that bad. Oh, what do we got over there? Scat. But yeah, the cabin noise isn't bad at all. Yeah, I highly recommend the mid-muffler delete for any V8, to be honest. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Yeah, it's pretty much like the first real mod I did to the car. So yeah, let me know what else you guys think I should do to the car. Definitely gonna get the resonators cut off at some point later down the line, but yeah, I'm really happy with the mid-muffler delete on my Dodge Charger RT. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Peace.